What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So got my Sigma lens back on, and today we are doing a $2 mod to clean up the back of the GTI. We were just at Clean Culture yesterday, so my car is nice and detailed, nice and cleaned up. It took a long drive, but this is holding up. The quarter panels were holding up all nice. Got my hood bra on right there. Also got a nice burnt poop. Wow, we went in. Anyways, I put a sticker up here just for the show, but I'm gonna take that off, so don't start hosing me. I think I figured out the problem with the Sigma lens. Neither of my lenses do well in the movie position on my Lumix for some reason. So in the aperture position, or aperture selection, or auto aperture, whatever that is, it actually does a lot better. But we're on our way to Lowe's right now because I have to pick something up that's going to cost me a little bit less than $2. By the title of it, you already know what it is. I saw this mod on some forums. I think it was like a Mini Cooper forum or something. I saw it on there and I wanted to check it out, and I think I can make it work for my car. I know in the past I did say that I was not going to do the rear wiper delete. The rear wiper has been a pain in my butt lately. One, things get messier more than clean back there because the spray just like smears all over the place and it just leaves streaks all over the back of the car. And then secondly, my Unitronic banner that's back there keeps coming off for some reason, and I think it has a lot to do with that wiper every time I turn it on. Alright, so here's what you're gonna need. This right here is 2 washers, comes in a set of 2, so if you got a friend, then this will probably cost you half as much. I paid him with $2, got 50 cents back. And if you guys are curious as to where to find this at Lowe's, it's aisle 14, bay 9. That's where you're gonna go. It's in the hard to find, whatever, and it's a nylon, 1-inch nylon plug. You're also gonna need some glue. I have some at home, so I'm not spending any money on that, and most people do. If you guys were at Clean Culture yesterday and you guys saw my car, feel free to add me on Instagram. I'll put it right over here. I took a lot of pictures, so I'll be putting those up as the week goes by from different cars that were over there that I thought were pretty cool, pretty unique. And here's my attempt at making a collage of it. If you guys are interested in a really cool edit, I'm gonna link my buddy's Lucas's YouTube channel down below. He makes some awesome edits, so go check him out. All right, so the stickers are off, car is cleaned up. It looks like the rain stopped. It might have been just a cloud or a few clouds, but the rest of them are coming very soon. So we gotta take off this back piece, this back panel here on the trunk, so that way we can gain access to what we need to take off. So we have to pull out the arm that's on the outside of here. 4 T20s in here that need to come off prior to this whole thing assembly coming down. Once that's off, you should have access to the motor itself, which is right over here. Gonna unclip this right here. But we're gonna need to take off this piece right here, and it's 3 10mm bolts. Go ahead and pop those out. Pulling out the arm is also fairly easy. You pop this out. This is gonna be a 13mm. Gonna go. Now pulling this out can be a little scary. I would suggest just kind of pushing it up and then gently prying up on this area over here. And it should come off. If you're having a hard time with it, you could always just pick up a wiper arm puller. Take out this grommet from here. Careful with the glass because you don't want to scratch it. This grommet can be a pain to take off, but just keep working it and you should be able to take it out. Now keep all that stuff safe just in case you decide to put it back on later on. Check this out with these VWs made in Mexico. They screwed up the alignment on this. Fail. The hole seems to be in the middle, but the heat is actually off to the side a little bit. That's weird. Anyways, we're gonna need to I cleaned off the entire surface. We're gonna grab the nylon hole plug and then just slide it in from the outside. It's pressure fit, so you should be able to slide it through. We're gonna seal the outside with some black silicone that's waterproof, and then we should be all done. Just let it sit for a few hours and you should have a working rear window. Don't be afraid to get a little silicone happy over here, guys. It might make it a little messy on the outside, but it's just rubber and that can be cut off or cleaned off. So that's what we're gonna do here in a little bit. Let me reassemble this entire thing, make sure that it's 100% back together. I also zip tied this to this right here, so that way it's not jiggling around anywhere. Simple, clean look for less than $2. If you guys are debating on whether or not to get a rear wiper delete, if you have a sticker, a banner, anything like that that's gonna come off, or if you're just tired of seeing streaks in the back, you might do yourself a favor and pick one of these up. There's no need to spend all that money on you know, the pre-made parts that screw on, besides you not knowing how to do a simple job. And when it comes to teaching you how to do simple jobs, that's what I'm here for. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Hope you like this content, hope you like this video, and if you guys just want to give it a shot, go ahead and take a picture of your car after you've done it. Hashtag me on your Instagram page and I will give you a shout out to see, I want to see how many people actually perform this mod or how many people already have it. So I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.